Welcome back to the channel, mamas. Are you a new mom feeling completely overwhelmed by your electric breast pump? Today, we are sharing the ultimate step-by-step guide on how to pump breast milk effectively. If you want to empty your breasts faster and protect your liquid gold supply, this complete routine is exactly what you need. First, always start by washing your hands thoroughly. Hygiene is absolutely crucial to prevent contamination of your precious milk. Next, find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Relaxation is the secret key to triggering a strong letdown reflex. Take a few deep breaths and keep a large glass of water nearby to stay fully hydrated during the process. Now, gently massage your breasts for about 2 minutes before attaching the pump. This simple manual stimulation wakes up your milk ducts and prepares your body for milk expression. Carefully center your nipples inside the flanges. If your nipples are rubbing against the plastic sides, you need a different flange size immediately to prevent severe pain and low output. Turn your machine on using the massage or stimulation mode. This setting uses fast and light suction to mimic your baby's initial quick sucks. Once you see the milk start spraying or flowing steadily, switch your pump to the expression mode. This setting provides slower and deeper pulls to extract the maximum amount of hind milk perfectly.